Why don't seniors use their flex spending cards at the memory clinic? Because they keep forgetting they have them. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on flex spending card for seniors. Tip 1. Understand what flex spending is. A flexible spending account, FSA, is a type of savings account that allows you to set aside money on a pre-tax basis for healthcare expenses. As a senior, it's important to understand this concept so you can utilize your money efficiently. Before using an FSA, it's beneficial to explore how it works, its advantages, its limitations, and its applicable areas. Tip 2. Know what expenses your FSA covers. Not all health-related expenses are covered by an FSA. Typically, the covered expenses include medical procedures, medications, and certain medical devices. As a senior, ensure you familiarize yourself with these categories to avoid spending the funds on ineligible expenses. Tip 3. Use your FSA funds correctly. The funds allocated in an FSA must be used within your insurance year, or else they will be forfeited. This makes it important for seniors to plan ahead and ensure that all the funds are spent within the stipulated time. If done correctly, seniors can get considerable savings on health costs in the long run. Tip 4. Keep track of your spending. Record keeping is a key aspect of managing your FSA. Save all your receipts and maintain accurate records. This will not only allow you to monitor your spending, but also provide necessary documentation for tax purposes. Tip 5. Schedule routine medical procedures within the insurance year. Seniors often have recurring medical expenses. Make sure to schedule these to occur within the insurance year to make full use of your FSA funds. Tip 6. Use an FSA calculator. This tool can be useful in determining how much to contribute to an FSA based on your expected healthcare costs. By accurately predicting these costs, seniors can avoid contributing too much or too little to their FSA. Tip 7. Watch out for qualifying events. Certain life events, such as the birth of a grandchild or the death of a spouse, may allow you to change your FSA contributions mid-year. As a senior, it's essential to keep abreast of these possible changes to make full usage of the funds in your FSA. Tip 8. Consult with your health workers. Your caregivers, doctors or pharmacists can provide valuable insights into potential upcoming health expenses. In turn, this can help seniors to make more informed decisions about their FSA spending. Tip 9. Consider your regular prescriptions. Regularly prescribed medication can often be factored into an FSA. Seniors should consider this ongoing cost and incorporate it into their annual planning. Tip 10. Attend FSA workshops or webinars. Many employers or insurance companies offer informational sessions on how to make the most of your FSA. These can provide valuable advice and tips customized to seniors' specific needs. Tip 11. Consider your caregiving expenses. If a senior has a caregiver, certain expenses related to their service may be covered by an FSA. Understanding this can help seniors make even more efficient use of their FSA funds.